First, connect the plug to the rear of the instrument, turn on the switch, then press and hold the power button on the front to operate the instrument. Once powered on, a self-test will be performed, and after the self-test, the home screen will appear. From the home screen, you can create a new protocol by touching the Create Experiment button. First, select your desired dye. Then touch the Next button to move to the Select Well screen. On the next screen, you can select specific wells or touch the top left corner to select all wells. After selecting the wells, touch the Assign Probe button to input the dye set on the previous screen into the wells. You can specify different probe combinations for multiple wells by repeating the dye selection and well selection process. If you don't need to specify multiple probe combinations, such as when using cybergreen dye, you can proceed by selecting all wells, regardless of where the samples were loaded. Then, touch the Next button to proceed to the protocol creation screen. You can modify or add new steps by touching each step of the protocol. If you have specified cybergreen as the dye, please add a melting step after the PCR cycle. Specify the type of tube or plate you will use via the Plate Type button at the top right. You can save the protocol by touching the Save as Protocol button. Finally, touching the OK button will put you into the protocol execution ready state. Additionally, from the initial screen, you can load a protocol by touching the Open Experiment button. You can load a pre-provided template protocol or a save protocol to proceed with the experiment. By touching the Edit button, loaded protocols can also be modified and saved, just like protocols you created yourself. Once modifications are complete, touch the OK button to prepare for protocol execution. When the protocol is ready to run, touch the Door Open button, remove the gap plate according to your tube type, then insert the tube or plate. Close the door and touch the Run button to start the experiment. After the experiment is complete, data can be exported using the USB port on the front. From the experiment completion screen or the home screen, select the experiment record in the Open Data File tab, then touch the Export button. Select the recognized USB drive and touch the OK button to export the data. This concludes the user guide for the ExiCycler V5 device.